These are the top 5 friendliest animals in the world. Comment which one you would like to hug. But first, you'll have insane holy luck if you like and subscribe. Number 5. The quokka, known as the world's happiest animal. These tiny marsupials are always smiling. Number 4. The dog, man's best friend for a reason. Loyal, playful, and somehow always knows when you're sad. Number 3. The goat. Goats are surprisingly affectionate. They love cuddles, head pats, and will follow you like a loyal buddy. Number 2. The capybara, the chillest animal alive. They get along with everyone. Birds, monkeys, even crocodiles. Number 1. The horse, smart, gentle, and deeply emotional. Horses remember the people they love even years later.